Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Ride with Ted. I am Ted, and this is Ride with Ted, and here we are, poolside, once again for another helmet review. After this. Alright, welcome back. And here what we are doing is we're going to give you this review of the Scorpion EXO Covert FX helmet. This is brandy spanking new, and if you go to their website you'll see that it's available this spring. It's not available yet, but somebody is going to win this helmet. So watch this preview and I'll let you know what I think. Scorpion Helmets, the creators of the badass Covert motorcycle helmet, have now developed a full-face version of the Covert helmet. Now it's called the Covert FX. The Covert FX displays the same edgy style and function that is expected from Scorpion EXO Covert series. However stylish the details may be, they have important function. Each helmet is carefully handcrafted and using the latest fiberglass, aramid, and polyresin fibers, which provide superior strength and extreme lightweight. The low-profile shell has been aerodynamically tuned for motorcycle riding, minimizing both lift and turbulence for a smoother, quieter, and more stable ride. The helmet comes with integrated speaker pockets and make it easy to install your favorite Bluetooth communication device, while the Quick Wick C Comfort Liner features a moisture wicking material that will keep you cool, dry, and comfortable during your ride. Now, Scorpion EXO continues to set the standard when it comes to value in a motorcycle helmet by introducing and including the free dark smoke shield, as well as a clear shield right out of the box. This helmet came pre-installed with the dark smoke shield. If you're looking for a stylish and functional motorcycle helmet that's perfect for both city and commutes and long-distance touring, look no further than the Covert FX. It's extremely lightweight. TCT Ultra composite shell provides superior strength and impact dispersal properties. Through some research, I found out two things. The shipping weight of the package is 4.8 pounds, and sources are saying that the helmet weighs 2.88 pounds. So that's something else to consider. It's also CAD refined aerodynamics, resulting in a streamlined profile and balanced footprint, minimizing both lift and turbulence for a smoother, quieter, and more stable ride. Advanced multi-layer EPS provides superior energy absorption. Equipped with US DOT certification and ECE 22.06 safety standard, which requires a wider range of testing than previous 22.05 certification. Aero-tuned ventilation system features closable intake vents on top, help force cool air in, while exhaust air vents movements out of the rear of the helmet. Dual position mouth vent allows for the first position to act as a defroster, and a second position acts as a defroster and ventilation. It's closable from the inside. Now, strategically placed channels throughout the EPS foam provides increased airflow as well. The Quick Wick 3 Comfort Liner features a moisture wicking fabric that keeps you cool and dry in warm weather and warm in cool weather. Now, the liner kit is easily removable and washable. Optional cheek pads sold separately. The Quick Fit 3D sculpted cheek pads accommodate most eyeglasses. You still have to remove them to put the handle on. Scorpion's EXO face shield ratchet system pulls the shield securely against the eye port, ensuring a proper seal. The Everclear face shield offers a state-of-the-art fog-free technology and 95% UV-A and UV-B protection. Optically superior face shield features a shatter-resistant anti-scratch hardened coating. Free additional dark smoke Everclear fog-free face shield included. Pin lock face shield sold separately. Again, this helmet was pre-installed with the dark smoke Everclear face shield. It's got a toolless face shield removable system. Its COM-ready speaker pockets allow for easy installation of your favorite Bluetooth communication system speakers. Optional thinner and thicker cheek pads are available to help optimize fit. They're sold separately. Reflective material incorporated into the cheek pads for increased nighttime visibility. Included, solid neoprene aero skirt, chin curtain, helps reduce the wind noise. This was also pre-installed on the helmet and I did not remove it. Speaker pockets are 50mm and 5mm round. 2 shells, 3 individual EPS expanded polystyrene foam. DOT FM VSS number 218 certified and ECE 202.06 certified. 5-year warranty. Comes in black, graphite, cement gray, white, and matte black. Sizes extra small to 3XL. Prices starting at $249.95. My thoughts on the helmet are, I like it. And I like it a lot. It's extremely comfortable. One of the other things that I found wonderful about this helmet was it has the best peripheral vision of any of the helmets that I currently own, and both of them are Scorpion helmets. I guess this is because this is based on the Covert helmet system. I'm not sure, but I can tell you this, as far as it goes for vision out of this helmet, it's the best I've seen. Like I said, it's very comfortable. Ventilation with this helmet, oddly enough, is better than the other Scorpion helmets that I have. As you know, I have the ST1400 carbon helmet, and I have also the Shake helmet, both of which are slightly less than adequate ventilation. But this Covert helmet, the way the vents are set up on the front of the helmet, gives you great ventilation. I really like that a lot. The other things about this helmet that I do like, well, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros, it's a damn good looking helmet. It's lightweight, very comfortable, and it has that flat spot on the front of the helmet that you can easily attach a action camera to it. The shield is fantastic as well. I did not need to wear sunglasses at all with this shield. It was excellent. The cons, the only one that I could see is that it is not EMS friendly. It does not have the emergency pulls for the cheek pads to remove it. That's probably the only thing that I saw about this helmet that I didn't like. But it's an excellent helmet. It looks great. It's very comfortable, and I highly recommend it. And as I've said before, if it not for the fact that I love my carbon helmet as much as I do, I would keep this helmet for myself. All right, so after wearing the helmet during one ride that I went on, and I did have a do-rag on, all right, I was actually pleasantly surprised at the main thing that surprised me the most was the visibility that this helmet offered. For some reason, my peripheral vision seemed to be much better with this helmet. And that's possibly because this particular Covert helmet is based on the original Covert helmet, which, if you recall, is multiple pieces that snap together to make it a full-face helmet. But the visibility was remarkable. And I did use the helmet with this dark shield on. The helmet does come with a clear shield as well. One of the other interesting things that I thought about this helmet is that the ventilation was a bit better than the other helmets that I do have. If I did not like my carbon helmet so much, I would keep this. But one of you are going to get it instead. If you notice on the front of the helmet, there aren't any switches to open the venting. Why? Because it's inside here. That's how you do it. You reach up with your finger, up or down. That opens it up. Then on top, you have this switch here. So and now my air conditioning decides to turn on. In closing, I really like this helmet. It's comfortable, it's got great visibility, and it just looks really, really cool, especially with that black visor on there. But one of you is going to be the winner of this helmet. Links will be below on how you can enter to win this helmet. You will get it shipped to you in a Scorpion bag and inside a Scorpion box with the face shield, instructions, and all the other accoutrements that go along with it. I even have the original shipping box. So you're going to get all of that, plus some other stuff that I find in my desk. Lint, what have you. So thanks for watching. This is Ted. This is Ride with Ted. And this is the Scorpion Covert FX helmet. Thanks for watching, kids. Ride safe. There's a frog in the pool. Really windy today. NEM, NEM.